Well, as Chief Justice David Maraga's term comes to an end in a few months' time, members of the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee held a meeting on Monday to deliberate on the way forward when the CJ leaves office on the 12th of January next year. One of the bones of contention during the sitting was whether or not the Deputy Chief Justice should temporarily hold the office of the Chief Justice during the recruitment process for a new Chief Justice. The process is expected to take at least 5.5 months and will only start as soon as Maraga leaves office. Another issue that was presented is that the Judicial Service Commission Act stipulates that a vacancy notice must be issued for a new CJ, but the Constitution doesn't call for the same. This raised questions over whether the JSC Act or the Constitution should be amended. The controversial appointment of judges was also discussed, with certain members criticizing whether the Judicial Service Commission is doing enough to finally resolve the matter.
Because if it is, we are happy to adopt that.
Taking the issue seriously, and can we have, by element of timing, indications as to when whatever is pending in court, which could be the reason we are invoking sub judice, can be off your desks? And I'm saying this, Chair, I'm one MP who still goes to court. A court like Environment and Land Division is completely dead. You cannot move. Can we have a bit of timelines? But number two, could there be agreements in terms of how, as the leadership of the country here seated, all of us together, from the two arms of government, we could intervene with the executive so that we go over these issues?
So that's what is in court. Enforcement of that order. One of the prayers that are in that case, if my recollection is right, is they are seeking orders that if the president refuses to appoint, then those those nominees become judges and start working.